have an old towel, and we're gonna cut it up into cleaning rags. So. Perfect. Now that we've cut our rags, now we're going to use the best tool ever invented. This is called a T-Mop, or a wooden mop, or a Cuban wooden mop, or a Cuban T-Mop. But this is what it is. It's just one down with another one across, and it's the best thing ever. This one is about 16 years old. You take your rags. You don't have to get any rag that you keep purchasing and throwing out. It's good for the environment. You put it around and on the floor, and then you just mop the floor. It is perfect for mopping, dusting, reaching high spots. And I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So here's a few tips and tricks for this T-Mop. One, you have your rags that we just cut up and you put them around. Now sometimes, it's true, they slip off. So what you want to do is just wrap this around, get some hair ties, and take the hair tie and wrap it around, and that will keep it from slipping. These you can wash. Use whatever cleaner that you use to clean your floor with. Tip number 2. This is just a regular pool noodle. I'm gonna cut it to size and then slice it down the middle like that. Then you're gonna put the pool noodle on like that. And again, with the hair ties, you're gonna tie it around, get it on. So now with this, it gives it a little more cushion on it. And then again, you're gonna take your rag, wrap it around, and then you can put the hair ties around the edge. And because this gives it a little cushion when you're cleaning the walls or when you're cleaning the woodwork, it gives it just a little more softness instead of that hard wood right on it. I'm going to show you. So washing the woodwork, you have your T-Mop, and then you can just go like this, back and forth. Throw this into the sink with your solution that you're going to clean with, or get a squirt bottle. If you want a squirt bottle, you can squirt the woodwork and then easily go across and on top, and that's how you can dust. Now, if you like this, up the top and across, because this is places that you don't get to normally reach. And look at that, look at all that dust. There you go. And we're gonna clean it off. And not washing, you can get these cloths. You can pick them up at the grocery stores, Walmart, Target, online. And these are those soft cloths. And again, wrap it around, get it, hold it on. And these are perfect for dusting the wall, dusting on top of the blinds, reaching up high, and the ceiling fans. Let me show you. So the ceiling fans, the hardest thing to get, but now that you have your duster, you can go right up the top, over the top of the ceiling fan. Look at that, look at the dust. Underneath.